Nanghihinayang ang pamilya Quezon dahil hindi na umabot si Dolphy sa dapat sana ika-84 na taong gulang niyang kaarawan sa July 25. Gayunman, ipinagpapasalamat nilang hanggang sa huling sandali ng kanyang buhay na iparamdam sa kanila ng hari ng komedya ang kanyang pagmamahal. Nagbabalik si Victoria Tulad.
Pagpipresenta pa lamang, mananadyak na.
Magaling na aktor, mabait na tao, at mapagmahal na ama. Ito raw ang mga katangiang hindi malilimutan ni Eric Quezon sa kanyang namayapang amang si Dolphy.
I think that my dad is bigger than life. I guess he's made such an impact with the Filipino people. He was so humble that people can relate to him. He was so humble that people admired him. He was so humble that people loved him. Ang gusto lang naman talaga ng daddy ko ay magkasundo-sundo kami lahat. Yung wish ng daddy ko natutupad naman. So I'm very happy, and I want to thank my siblings, my brothers and my sisters, Shasha, dahil lahat kami nga ay masasabi naman natin nagkakaisa, tutulungan kami.
Pilit daw nagpapakatatag ang pamilya Quezon lalo na ngayong wala na ang kanilang padre de pamilya. Naikwento rin ni Eric na noon pa mang malakas pa ang pangatawan ng kanyang ama, pinaghahandaan na niya ang pagkawalay niya sa pamilya.
Yeah, he bought it in 1977. So, in the 70s, he was already planning. So, ano lang yun, siguro parang, basta pag something happens to me, wala na kayo iintindihan.
Nanghihinayang man daw sila na hindi na umabot si Dolphy sa kanyang ika-84 na kaarawan sa July 25. Masaya pa rin sila dahil hanggang sa huling sandali, pag-ibig pa rin ang naramdaman nila mula sa ama.
He was responding to us, but he could not really talk to us. Puro mga yes or no, yes, no. Sometimes he mouthed, I love you, uwi na. The most of the time, ang sinasabi niya was, uwi na ako. He would have episodes that we felt that we were gonna lose him. Well, we were hoping that he would last until his birthday, pero sad that he missed his birthday. Definitely will do something. We don't know yet. So, ang pinagpaplanuhan muna namin ngayon is itong nangyari sa pamilya namin, sa kanyang demise. So, ito muna pinagtutuunan namin ng pansin. And then, later on, pag nakakahinga na kami, siguro sa time na mag-uusap kami kung ano mga pwedeng gawin.
Sa ngayon, mas iniintindi muna raw ng pamilya Quezon ang burol at libing ni Dolphy.
We are going to have public viewings every day until Saturday.
Until Saturday?
Yeah. So that is from 8 to 3 every day. From Thursday, Friday, Saturday at Heritage.
And then on Sunday?
On Sunday, family na lang. Family na lang yan. And then before 3 o'clock, we'll bury him in Heritage also.
In Heritage, not in Loyola?
Sunday. Not in Loyola. Kasi yung mausoleum namin sa Loyola, as much as we would want to put him there, madami na kasing nando dun eh. We wanted to give naman my dad, it's not that we're taking him out of the family, but we just wanted to give him a special place. So, we decided to get the plot in Heritage.
At sa yugtong ito ng buhay ng pamilya Quezon, pinaka-nagpapalakas daw sa kanila ang suporta at panalangin mula sa taong bayan na nagmamahal sa nag-iisang hari ng komedya.
The Quezon family has been very thankful ever since the time we asked for prayers. Nung araw pa lang na yun, alam na namin na kung gaano karami nagmamahal sa kanya. My dad has made a lot of people happy. Sana when they remember him, when they say Dolphy, it will put a smile on their face.
Victoria Tulad, GMA News.